It's nice to see you back here. I know it's been like a little break, but now I decided to try to start vlogging again and showing what goes on in my life or doesn't go in my life. So right now it is 6th of February. In January I just took it quite easy and didn't want to vlog anything because, to be quite honest, I was feeling quite like this meh feeling, and I didn't feel so good and motivated and so on. So I thought that January I should take a little bit slower and more quieter. I was just going to work and staying at home and all that kind of things. But yeah, right now I might sound a little bit like a frog because I have been sick this whole week. So last Sunday, all of the sudden, my voice went away, and on Monday evening, I got a really heavy runny nose, and on the morning of Wednesday, I had a little fever, and also yesterday I had a little fever, and now I'm taking all kind of medicine for the coughing and for the runny nose and that kind of stuff. So I'm slowly starting to get out of it from this some kind of weird virus. But yeah, that's why my voice is a little bit like froggy and weird sound. But yeah, I think I just wanted to start a vlog from here and yeah, see where it takes us. I think this week is gonna be, or like more like tomorrow and Sunday, it's gonna be quite slow still, because I'm trying to heal myself up to go to back work from Monday. And yeah, I think I'm not gonna do like so many stuff outside from the house, but yeah, I will take you with me and let's see where we go from here. Hi, happy Valentine's Day. So I thought that I should show you what I've gonna be up to this weekend. So yeah, I'm not gonna celebrate Valentine's Day or anything, but yeah, in the evening we're gonna have Eesti Laul, which is our competition to see like who wins it and who goes to Eurovision. And so this I'm gonna see from the TV in the evening. But yeah, right now we are in Tartu, and we're staying in a booking apartment with my mom. My mom is out with her old co-worker, like in some kind of excursion. So right now I am all alone in here, and I thought that I should show you what our apartment looks like. So this is the view when you come in from here. So over here we have the front door. Over here you have a cupboard where you can hang up all your clothes and stuff. And also in here you have this other part of the cupboard where you have like the shelves and stuff. But yeah, let's move on. So this is the living room area slash kitchen area. So over here you have the TV, you have this couch which can be also opened up to a bed. And over here you have the kitchen area. Don't mind the mess. We have been here already for one night, so yeah, it's messy, but that's life. And over here we have the bathroom. It's pretty nice. You have like a sink in here and also the mirror, and this is the shower area, and you also have the washing machine and toilet and so on. And next here there is the sleeping room. So there is a big cupboard. There is like the smaller drawers where you can put your stuff in. And yeah, we're on the 4th floor, and this is the view. So yeah, we have right now like minus 10 degrees outside, but it feels like minus 13 or something. And from the other side, the view is like that. So over here there is some kind of like a little creek, and also there is, luckily in the other side there are no buildings next to the house exactly. So yeah, but I also went to the store and I'm gonna show you what I bought. So first of all, I bought the green grapes. They were cheaper than usual, so that's why I decided to buy them. And then I wanted to get some prosciutto over a long time. And also in Maxima right now there are good deals for sweets. So I got this Milka chocolate and also these Milka biscuits. I like the chocolate inside. Then I also got the sausage pastry. Then this is like the Estonian candy. It is filled with marzipan, one Pepsi, and the Neptunas mint water. I like it really much. And also for lunch I'm gonna have sushi. Yesterday evening I bought sushi and now I have still some left, so this is gonna be my lunch. And I will chat to you soon, a little bit later. So I forgot my tripod at home, so I'm balancing you on some fake ass flower pot and it has like a fake orchid inside. But yeah, I just finished my lunch and now I'm watching from Netflix the Love is Blind. I also have watched from like the UK, like the Love Island series, but for me, I'm getting kind of sick of the Love Island because over there they're just all the time fighting, screaming at each other, and now it looks like it doesn't have anything to do with finding actual love or something, or like they don't show like not so much like how the couples are getting to know them and so on, but they are just show like how everybody are gossiping each other and so on. So yeah, so now watching Love is Blind. This is the last US version what they have made in Ohio, and I must say that I actually like more the Love is Blind because for me it shows more like finding love and so on. So yeah, this is pretty nice series to watch, and I like it quite a lot. But yeah, I think today we're not gonna have like so many big plans or something. Later, I'm just gonna go and pick up my mom when she will get back from the excursion, and then yeah, in the evening we're gonna just chill in the apartment and so on. But yeah, right now we still have like the nice weather outside. It's cold, but it's sunny, and I like it a lot. And yeah, this is it right now. Just a little fun fact about me. I really like to drink tea, and I don't drink coffee almost at all. I really like the coffee smell, and I have also worked as a barista when I was younger. But yeah, I don't like the coffee taste. So if I have to drink coffee, then I say that I am drinking milk with coffee. So basically, it means that I put mostly milk and then coffee, and then I also put some sugar or something sweetener inside because I don't like the taste. So yeah, now I'm also making some tea because yeah, I really like to drink tea, and also I don't put any sugar or anything inside my tea. So it's just the tea and with its original flavor. So yeah, this is a little fun fact about me. And also on the background, I think you can hear TV going, and I'm watching WRC Rally. I started to watch it like 2 years ago because our Estonian driver Ott Tänak was participating, but this year he decided to retire. So yeah, but I'm still watching the rally. So yeah, this is also a thing that I like to watch.
Josh on punane juba, 0,4 aeglasem, aga kohe nüüd peaks tulema siis see hetk, kus Sest nii-öelda eksis, et